Today I am going to share Cheeseburger Samosa Parcels recipe. Ramadan special Iftar recipe. Oil, 1/3 cup. Chopped onion, 1/2 cup. Sauté 1 minute. Salt to taste. Stir. Beef keema, 400 grams. Stir and fry until color changes. Tomato sauce, 1/4 cup. Mix. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Oregano, 1 teaspoon. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoon. Green chili, 2 teaspoon. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, stir. Coriander leaf, 2 tablespoon. Mix. Heavy cream, 1/4 cup. Cook until well done. Done. Let it cool. Mozzarella cheese, 1 cup. Mix. Done. Spring roll pastry. Apply glue. Spring roll pastry. Cooked beef keema as required. Follow the steps. Done. Egg wash. Breadcrumbs. Deep fry. Fry until golden brown. Flip. Done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.